Hey guys, welcome. Today in this video you will learn to write the first program of your life. You will learn the basics of writing code in Java. But before proceeding, let me make one thing clear that before following this tutorial you must install JDK on your computer. If you have not installed it yet, no problem. Just watch the video which is given in the description of this video. And if you are new on my channel, then please subscribe it and hit the bell icon. So now moving towards writing our first program. First of all, if we see what a program actually it is, what is its definition and how it works, then in simple words, a program or software is a collection of some written lines of code. These lines are written for a specific purpose. These programs can be think of like a sequence of written steps which are for performing any specific task. For understanding this, let's take a real life example. Say suppose there is a person who is sitting on a chair and you want that person to write a message on a board. Now there is a problem that person cannot understand your language and that person don't know how to get there and what to do. Now if I ask you how you will tell that person to do this task. So one solution can be that for getting done this task, you will write few steps on page in a specific language which can be understood by that person. Now you may write few steps like if you are writing in English, like get up, move 10 steps ahead, take a chalk, or write something on that board. And now it can be your name as well. Similarly, for getting anything done by computer, we write code in the language of that computer, and which is Java in our case. Now let's see how we can write a program with which we can order computer to perform tasks according to our wish. So we are going to write a program with which we will tell computer to print our name on the screen. So for writing programs we have variety of editors, or we call them IDEs as well, where we can write our code and compile it and run it. But for keeping things very simple, we will use Notepad for few videos. Later on we will move to its special editors. For writing your code in the Notepad, what you have to do, first of all, you have to create a text file, a simple text file. Name it whatever you want. As I am giving it name test, and you have to just change its extension to Java. Hit the enter and open this file. After that you have to write whatever I am writing now. And you have not to get confused in it, because in the coming videos we will discuss these all things in a great detail. For now, just follow me, and in the coming videos I will tell you each and everything in a great detail. So for now, just follow me. Write class, it's a keyword, and after that you have to write the name which is given by you to your file. As I have given it test, so I will write test. In your case it can be different. So whatever command you want to give computer, or whatever steps you want to write in your program, so you will write those all things here between these braces. In Java, for printing any data on a screen, we have a command system.out.print, and at the end of every command in Java you have to put a semicolon. This is to tell computer that this command is over now, and whatever you want to print on the screen, you have to just write that message here. For example, I want to print the name of my channel, Ziving. You can write your name to print. After that you have to just set this file and close this file. After that, just go to the address bar and write cmd and hit the enter. And what you have to do now, you have to just write a command javac and write the name of file. As in my case it is test.java, so I will write test.java and I will hit the enter. And after that I will write Java and again test, same name, and hit the enter. And now you can see that my channel's name is printed on the screen. Now if you want to print something else, then again open it and you have to do same thing again. Compile it again with the keyword JavaC and write the name test.java and hit the enter, and again write Java test, and this you will get the output. If you want to print this message on the next line, so what you have to do, so again open this and you have to just add ln. You have to write the print ln, so it will be printed on the next line. Again save it, close it and compile it. For compilation you have to write javac test.java and hit the enter, and again java test, hit the enter. Now you can see as it was on the same line, but now both are on the different lines. So play with this command. So if you find any problem in understanding this or writing this code, or you get any error, just ask me in the comment section. I will answer there. Thank you for watching this. If you like this video, then hit the like button, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for getting the notifications of new videos. Thank you. See you in the next video.